Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is the King's Tutor. It's the first time of joining us. Thank you for clicking to this. Ensure you like, comment, and share this video. Now, want to see a question on sequence and series. Is actually the mass question of NECO 2022. Okay, so please, we are going to see this now. This question relates to sequence and series. So I urge you, if you have not seen our video on sequence and series, where we started from the introduction part, I want you to watch that before this, okay? I'll drop it in the description and I'll also drop it up here. So you watch that, okay? And also, now let's see the question. Now I said, find the 15th term of a sequence whose nth term is given by Tn equal 5n minus 5 divided by 5. Okay, and the options are A12, B13, C14, D15, and E16. So what they're telling us is that the nth term of this is given as this, that we should find the 15th term of this. Okay, so recall now said if we have solution, now said if the nth term is given as 5n minus 5 divided by 5. So say when they say the 15th term, that is our n is 15. When n equal 15, so we have term 15 equal 5. Our n here is 15 minus 5, all divided by what? 5. 5 times 15, using our calculator, we have 5 times 15 is 75 minus 5 divided by 5. So 75 minus 5 will give us 70 divided by 5. So 70 divided by 5 will give us 14. Okay, so the 15th term of the sequence, if the n time is given as this, is 14. So let's see our option. The option is C. So we got that right. Okay, so that's how to solve question relating to this. So please ensure you watch this video, and also please, we're on TikTok, we're on Instagram, and also on YouTube, okay, and also on Facebook. So ensure you follow us on this. Click on the King's Tutor so you watch videos relating to maths, accounting, economics, finance, and statistics. Okay, so I want to recommend a video for you that will ensure that will enlighten you more. Okay, so you see this video here, watch it. It will help you. Watch it now.